What's happening, YouTube? Gerald here, aka J490, coming at you with another reaction. This is Barbra Streisand performing Natural Sounds live. And so, been having a great time doing Barbra, discovering so much Barbra in this getup. I'm filming 5 videos tonight at this time. So, whenever you're seeing this, but if you're on Patreon, you're seeing it all in one video here. So, if you join the Patreon, maybe see some stuff you didn't see. Anyway, or at least you get some bonus content. So it's the same stuff, even if you already seen it, but it's a little bit more in between talking and stuff. But anyway, I'm excited to check this out. Like I said, I've just been really loving the hell out of learning more Barbra and getting more sides of her done. 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. I gotta come to 2000s soon, but not yet. I like the past. So for all of my favorite artists, I really love the early stuff and working my way up until the newer stuff. It gives you a better appreciation for the 2000s and the newer stuff at that point. But anyway, so before I get to the video, I need you all to go ahead and like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Now, without further ado, this is Barbra Streisand live with Natural Sounds.
Natural sounds with you, my love. The happy sound of water on stone, the quiet sound of waves on sand. When you hold makes natural sounds with you. My head makes natural noises too.
That violin, the violin.
The whirring sound of bees in a comb, the rushing sound of wind in the trees. When we kiss, and more than this I know, my heart would make natural sounds if ever you should go. The hollow sound of stones trapped in a well, the lonely sound of rain in the night.
Oh, that heart.
Natural sounds. My heart makes natural sounds with you.
That was beautiful. That was beautiful. That was another example of her voice really flowing with the instrumentation and really adding to that. And I really enjoyed that. That was really sweet and simple. Nothing too big, nothing too small. She was right here with it. And the instrumentation too. Really beautiful. And then she's so multifaceted, multi-talented. Love it, love it. So give me some more Barbra in them comments. Hope you all enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. In the description below is where you find all the social media you can follow me on. If you want to join the Patreon or join the channel as a member, those options are down there too. And beyond everything else, please Thank you all again for even taking the time to push play on this video today, and take care of yourselves and each other.